Good afternoon everyone, and thank you sir to giving me the opportunity to tell you about my favorite country. So today I am going to talk about my favorite country. That country lives in my heart. That country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is not just a name, it is my identity, my pride, my love. Bangladesh is a beautiful country of South Asia. Bangladesh independent in 1971 after a great war. Bangladesh capital city is Dhaka and Bangladesh national language is Bangla. Bangladesh has their own flag. The flag color is red and green color. The red and green color conveys a deep meaning. The red color means the red blood of martyrs, and the green color means the green field of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is full of green field and rivers. Bangladesh has some tourist sport. Sundarban is a home of Royal Bengal tiger. Salekari is a queen of hills, and Cox's Bazar is a longest sea beach of the world. Bangladesh traditional food is biryani, riksha, and the people of Bangladeshi people wear Punjabi shari. The people of Bangladeshi people are very friendly, lovely, and they are very strong. I know that Bangladesh is an unsafe country, and I know that Bangladesh is a dirty country, but I love it because it is my birthplace. No matter how bad this place, but I always love it. And everyone should love their country. If I anytime leave this country, I know that in the end I always suffer. So everyone should love their country. That's all.